everyone. Welcome to Sam's Summaries. This episode is a deep dive discussion into Sam Fury's summary of Chapter 1 from the book Crypto Swing Trading by Jai George. It has been created with the help of AI. The chapter is titled Fundamentals of Crypto Swing Trading. You can read the original post at samfury.com.
All right, buckle up, everybody. We are diving deep into crypto swing trading today.
Sounds exciting.
It is. And you know what? It seems like everyone is talking about crypto these days.
Yeah, it's really having a moment.
It really is. So we are using Chapter 1 of Crypto Swing Trading by Jai George. He lays out some really fundamental stuff, which is fantastic for our deep dive.
Yeah, definitely a great place to start for anyone interested in getting involved.
Yeah, so tell me, have you thought about dipping your toes into this crypto trading world, or are you just sort of fascinated by the whole thing?
Oh, I'm definitely intrigued by it. I mean, who isn't curious about the potential to make some serious profits?
Right. And Jai George, right off the bat, he kind of throws out this warning. He's like, watch out, this crypto swing trading thing can become like an addiction.
Yeah, that's a pretty strong statement, right?
It is. So what have you seen? I mean, have you witnessed this firsthand?
Well, I can definitely see how it could become addictive. I mean, the market's constantly moving. There's always a new opportunity popping up. And, like you said, that chase for profit, it can be very enticing.
Yeah, that's like the constant ups and downs, right?
Mhm.
Always on the hunt for that next big, win. But what is it specifically about swing trading, compared to other types of trading, that you think makes it so potentially addictive?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I think it's that focus on riding those price swings, right?
Yeah.
Capitalizing on the volatility. It's not about holding for the long term like traditional investing. You're actively trying to time the market, buy low, sell high.
Buy low, sell high. Easier said than done.
Exactly. And that's where the skill and the strategy come in, right? Because with swing trading, you're aiming to profit from those price swings, like I said, that happen between support and resistance levels. And these can play out over, days, weeks, even months.
See, that's what I find kind of interesting about swing trading, right? It's not like day trading where you're glued to your screen every second, making a million decisions a minute.
Oh, absolutely. Definitely less intense than day trading,
Yeah.
no doubt about that. But it still requires a lot of attention and skill.
Right. So it sounds like even though, yeah, it's a little bit more relaxed, it's not just a walk in the park.
Oh, no, definitely not. I mean, understanding those market rhythms and identifying those key support and resistance levels, that's crucial for success.
And that actually brings me to another point that Jai George really hammers home, which is risk management.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I can't forget about risk management. Absolutely essential, especially in a market as volatile as crypto.
It's so easy to get caught up in the excitement of it all, right? You see those stories of people making crazy returns.
You see those headlines,
Yeah.
and it's easy to think, oh, I can do that too. But without a solid risk management strategy, you can get wiped out pretty quickly.
Yeah, he even mentions, I think it's in this chapter, how a single tweet from some random influencer can send crypto prices soaring or crashing.
Oh, absolutely. Social media, plays a huge role in this market. It can be a real wild card.
Yeah, it's kind of mind-boggling, right?
Yeah, it's definitely something to be aware of. And, it's not just social media. Remember, the crypto world is still very new. It's constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging. Regulations are changing. It all adds to the uncertainty.
Right. So in that kind of environment where things are constantly shifting, how does a trader keep their head above water? George talks about the importance of having a plan and sticking to it.
But that's got to be tough, right? I mean, when you're in the thick of it and things are going haywire.
It is, no doubt about it. You absolutely need a plan. You need to know what your goals are, what your risk tolerance is, and how you're going to manage your trades. You can't just wing it in this market.
So, what would you say are the key elements of a solid trading plan? Okay, well, first off, you got to have clear entry and exit points. You need to know, at what price are you going to buy, at what price are you going to sell. Don't let your emotions dictate those decisions,
Right, stick to the plan.
Exactly. You also need to have a solid risk management strategy, like we talked about before, This means setting stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and really understanding how much you're willing to risk on each trade.
So it's about protecting yourself, essentially.
Absolutely. And the last thing I'll say is find what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to swing trading. Experiment with different strategies. Find what suits your personality and your risk tolerance.
Right. So So to wrap up here, we've learned a lot about crypto swing trading, thanks to George and his book. We've talked about the potential for addiction, the importance of understanding market rhythms, the absolute necessity of risk management. It's a lot to take in.
It is. It's a lot to consider.
It is. So for you listening out there, the big question is, do the potential rewards outweigh the risks and the demands that come with swing trading?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It really is, and that's something for you to think about as you continue to explore this exciting but complex world of crypto.
Absolutely. Do your research, be prepared, and never stop learning.
Couldn't have said it better myself. All right, that's it for our deep dive today. Thanks for listening. And until next time, happy trading, everyone.
Happy trading!
Thanks for tuning in to Sam's Summaries. If you found this episode useful, let us know with a like, follow, and share. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to visit samfury.com to get free access to all of Sam's original summaries, which you can download as PDFs, as well as other exclusive content. It's all completely free at samfury.com.